Hello everyone. In this video, I'ma show you Adsense clicks grow in real time by using TrafficBot Pro. Let's log into the account and see the clicks first. Then open the software, take a look at Device Center and Proxy Center. You can add proxies directly or import proxies from a file in Proxy Center. The file format should be like this. Next, you can generate some device fingerprints in Device Center. The software will autofill in the path of Chrome if you've installed it before. If not, please install Chrome and set up the path manually. Then, you can set up max Chrome window count here. It means how many windows the software will open at the same time when you run tasks. Back to Manage Tasks, you can start to create tasks. We've introduced two ways to click on Adsense in the previous video. We won't repeat them in this video. You can check the other two ways to click on Adsense in the comment area. If you need to click on posts randomly on the page to browse, try the random click module. You can use path to find some elements with the same structure to click randomly. Press F12 to view the elements you want to click. We will find that they all have the same structure. There is a tag in the H3 tag. We can use the class attribute of H3 to locate this batch of H3 elements and then look for the child elements under the H3 tag. The value of its path should be like this. Then we click Get Element Count, and we will find that multiple target elements are matched. You can also set whether to use real mouse clicks if needed. After clicking to enter the post page, you can also insert JS code to achieve the return if you want to go back to the previous page. Select the Execute JS module and enter window.history.back in the module. You can also execute other JS codes if you want. Then you can add some other operations as you wish. After you save the task, you can set up a schedule here. Set up the runtime here. Then, click Run to run the task. Let's see the difference. Alright, that should be all. Thanks for watching.